This video is going to be lit on fire because we're saying goodbye to 2020 and I have a giveaway coming up soon. Let's get started. I'm talking about today my 2021 financial goals and the goals for this channel and how I am going to continue to use my passion to help you with your everyday personal finance. Let's get started. Oh God, that was hot. The most exciting part is the giveaway. I am giving away for this video two $10 Amazon.com gift card. My hope is the two people that win take the $10, buy something that they would have bought anyway on Amazon, and then take those $10 and invest it or put it toward debt or something that will help their financial future in 2021. I will get to the details on the giveaway near the end of this video, so be sure to check that out and take action so you can enter to win one of the two $10 gift cards. So today's all about looking ahead to the future of 2021 and specifically about the financial goals that I have that I want to share with you, not only to keep myself accountable, but also to hopefully inspire you. And I want to invite you along the journey, no matter where you land in your financial journey at this time, to partner up and let's live our sweet life together. That's what this channel and what these videos are all about. So I think by now we're all ready to say so long, see ya, bye-bye, get the hell out of here, 2020. It's now time for 2021. So happy New Year's Eve. Hope you're getting excited about what's gonna happen for the next year. So I'm gonna share with you 4 goals that I have with my financial future and specifically about some of the videos that will be coming out in the future here on the channel that relate to these goals. So let's get right to it. Number 1 is dividends and investing. I started with the Robinhood app this past year. Robinhood is a lot of fun. I have had other brokerage accounts. I use Schwab, I use Fidelity, and places that are a little bit more established, but Robinhood's a little bit new. And it's easy. I can pick up my phone, I can hop onto the investment app, and I can simply buy and sell stocks and ETFs. It's kind of easy. So what I've been doing now with Robinhood and with Stash and some of these other investment apps that are a little bit newer is instead of my Starbucks addiction that I've had, where I've been buying Starbucks almost every single day, I now take that money and instead of buying coffee, I apply it toward the Robinhood app. So every week, whether it's $5, $10, whatever it is, that goes into the stock market. It helps grow my funds. So my goal in 2021, specific to dividends and investing, is to grow my portfolio up where I can earn at least $10 per month in dividends. So on this channel, I will be sharing my videos of which particular dividend ETFs and stocks I'm buying into and the progress update toward that $10 per month dividend income. So I want to continue to grow that portfolio in the investment apps, not just Robinhood, but also Webull and Stash. Those are the 3 primary investment apps that I use. I'll link down below if you want to check out the reviews to those videos. But I want to grow those up. I want to get that dividend money coming in and keeping you guys updated. The next goal, number 2, which I'm super excited about, is this bloody mortgage. So we got a mortgage on the house. This is a great house. I love this house, but I want to pay it off. Years ago, about 5 years ago, I ran into something called Dave Ramsey. If you haven't heard about Dave Ramsey, I don't know where you are, because I mean, this guy is all about getting out of debt and all this and that and building wealth. So I originally followed his baby step program where he talks about the debt snowball and paying off consumer debt, paid off the auto loans, paid off the student loans, paid off the credit cards. That was totally $92,000 of consumer debt, debt-free. It's an amazing feeling. But there's still this other piece, the bigger piece, the marathon, which is the mortgage payment. So we are now aiming toward paying off our 30-year mortgage in only 5 years. But I want to put down $50,000 toward that mortgage this year in principal payment. And I'm going to share with you how I'm going to be earning this money passively in order to pay off the mortgage. So $50,000 down this year will keep us on track to make sure that we pay it off in the next 5 years by 2025. That's the goal. So this year is all about $50,000. The third goal for 2021's financial goals, increase income to $8,000 per month passively. This is all the different things I'm working on that I just shared a video, in fact, my November 2020 passive income, and that is at $4,000. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it up above as well as down in the description below. Go check that out. Passive income is basically income that comes in that you're not actively involved at the moment. I'm going to share my passive income reports on this channel every single month. With that, I want to inspire you, if you're interested in earning money as a side hustle, to do the same thing. So $4,000, I want to increase that to $8,000 per month by the end of 2021. Now, if you calculate that, $8,000 per month, that equals $96,000 a year. I'm going to take some of that money, $50,000 of it, and put it toward the mortgage payment. The rest of it will go toward things like taxes and all the other random stuff. And with that all wrapped up together, you got the mortgage going down, you got the dividends going up, and you got the passive income growing. I want my net worth to now reach, by the end of next year, $500,000. No, I'm not Graham Stephan, I'm not Andrei, I'm not Mark, I'm not one of these millionaires. That's not the point of the channel. The point of the channel here is to help the average Joe. I am this average guy who lives a decently average life, and I want to help other people do the same thing. I'm not here saying I'm a millionaire, look what I'm doing, and talking in such a high level that sometimes I think people are like, wow, that's so awesome, but I'd never be able to do that. No, I want to help you apply some very simple strategies, such as giving up Starbucks every week, to start growing your investment portfolio. That's the point of my channel. And my hope is someday when I do cross that millionaire line, and then I can finally put in my title, Millionaire Advice, that you can look back on these old videos and say, wow, here's somebody that went from the bottom to the top. Now, the last goal isn't necessarily a financial goal, but it is an important goal to me, and that is to stay healthy and work out at least 5 times per week. You know, when it comes down to avoiding doctor visits and unnecessary prescriptions and things like that, you got to stay healthy. Working out 5 times a week, eating healthy, not only helps you look good and stay good, it helps you avoid the doctor visits, and it keeps you fired up and motivated to come back and achieve your goals. And I want to come back and continue to produce as many videos here on YouTube as possible to help people live their ultimate sweet life when it comes down to personal finance. And in order to do that, I got to stay fired up by continuing to work out. But now I want to hear from you. Down below, comment and let me know, what is your financial goal, your number one financial goal for 2021 that you want to achieve? That is taking us to this Amazon.com giveaway. I have 2 e-gift cards that I'm going to email out to 2 winners. Here's how you enter. All you got to do, comment down below and let me know what your financial goal is for 2021. Then what I'll do is on January 4th, make sure you check out my community tab. I will be announcing the winners of today's $10 Amazon.com gift card. And then at that point, like I said, I want you to take that money, I want you to buy something that you would typically buy anyway on Amazon, and then take that $10 and either invest it or pay off debt or do something productive toward your financial goal. All you gotta do, comment below, make sure you subscribe, make sure you check out the community tab, because on January 4th, I will be announcing the winner. And yeah, I'm gonna have some other awesome giveaways coming to the channel over this next year as well. So make sure you're watching these videos, because I can't wait to give away a lot of cool things to my awesome subscriber base here on Sweet Life Money. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Have an awesome, amazing New Year's Eve and an amazing New Year's Day and an incredible kickoff to 2021. We can make this next year unbelievably awesome by staying focused, fired up, and constantly taking massive action toward our goals and our future. Continue to live your sweet life, because you're worth it. Have an awesome day, and we'll see you next time.